Hello, hi. So in this session we are going to learn the definition of atom, element, molecule and compound. So first let's just start with the definition of element. So according to definition, an element is a substance that is made entirely from one type of atom. That means if you take any of the substance, each substance it has atoms, right? So the all atoms should be in a one manner, one type only. See, here we have three different substances. It's a black one, an ash color and white color. These three are different substances. Any of these substance you take, all the atoms are same, right? For example, here I have taken this substance. For example, the white color substance. In this, the atoms are same, right? See, this is the one atom and this is the one atom. These two atoms are same, and these remaining all atoms also same. That means this substance can be considered as a substance. You can also look at this substance also, it is made up of only one type of atom. You take if you observe keenly this atom and this atom, they are same, right? And you can see this also same. That means this is a substance, it is made up of only one type of atom. That means you can consider this is also a element. What is the definition of element? Element is a substance that is made up of only one kind of atoms. Let's take the other substance. See, this is also a substance which is made up of only same kind of atoms. For example, let me pick one atom from here and see this is the atom and this is also another atom. These two atoms are same, right? And the remaining atoms also same, because this is a substance made up of only same kind of atoms. So we can consider this is also a element. Okay, so now look at the element names one by one. See, this is actually the hydrogen element, okay, and this is the iron element, and this is the carbon element. Okay, here I have three different kind of substances. Their names are, what is that? This is the iron element, and this is the carbon, and this is the hydrogen, right? Now let us see the definition of atom. What is the definition of atom? It is a kind of particle which cannot be further divided into small parts. That means if you take any of the atom, any of the particle, for example, if you take any of the particle which is not further able to cut it, that is known as a atom. Earlier we have seen that a substance, right? See, let us take the same substance once again. See, this is a carbon substance. This carbon substance, it is made up of many of the particles, right? So we can separate the particles into individual, right? Like this we can separate all the particles, but we cannot cut these particles into further, right? The substance, it can cut into a different particles, but this particle itself cannot be cut into another particle, right? So this particle which is not able to cut is known as atom. We cannot cut into further. Okay, so this is the atom, and moreover the atoms of the elements are identical in size and mass and properties. See, for example, if I take, see, this is a substance, and these are the two atoms. You see, it is belongs to the same element, right? So when you compare the atoms, two or three atoms of the same element, they are similar in a size, and they are also having same mass, and they are also having same properties, whether the chemical properties or physical properties. For example, as they are having same masses, their boiling points also same, and as they are having ability to form a bonds, then their chemical properties also same. Okay, so finally what I want to say is, atom is a a kind of particle which is cannot further cut into a small pieces, and the atoms of the same element, if you take, these are the atoms belongs to the same element, carbon element, they are having same mass and size. If you look at the physical appearance, size, and their properties also same. Okay, now let's move on to the definition of molecule. So molecule is every combination of atom is a molecule. That means either you can take atoms of the same molecule or atoms of either you can take atoms of the same element or different element. When they combine, you will get the molecule. So let us see those molecules in a reality. Every combination of atom is a molecule, right? So let's take for example, this is the hydrogen substance. Here we have many hydrogen atoms. So I am taking one hydrogen atom and it is combining with other hydrogen atom and existing as a molecule. See, this is the one hydrogen, this is one hydrogen, and this is one hydrogen. They combining each other and existing as a molecule. How they combine, this is another concept. There is a deep discussion is there. Let's say for example, our topic right now, you just assume that these two atoms, hydrogen atom, they are combining together and exist as a molecule, right? So now this combination is the atoms of the same element, that hydrogen element. Now let us see the combination of atoms of different elements. See, this is the hydrogen element. Here I am taking hydrogen atoms, for example. See, here I am taking 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay, 4 hydrogen atoms, and similarly I am taking the atom of the other element, that is called carbon. Okay, see, the white color are the atoms of the hydrogen element. Now I am taking the other element called carbon. So from this carbon element I am taking one atom of carbon element. Okay, so let us see the combination of atoms of the different element. This is the element of these are the atoms of hydrogen element, and this is the atom of carbon element. So let us see the combination of these atoms. See, I am combining the hydrogen atom to carbon atoms. As the carbon valence is 4, I can build a molecule with 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay, see, now this is a molecule formed by atoms of 2 different elements. Okay, these 4 white color atoms are belongs to hydrogen element, and this black color atom belongs to carbon elements. So this is also a molecule. Okay, it is a combination of atoms of 2 different elements, and this is also a molecule. It is a combination of atoms of the same element, that is hydrogen. Okay, now I hope you have understood you have got the information about the molecule. That means every combination of atoms leads to a molecule. See, earlier I said the definition of molecule, right? Every combination of atom is a molecule, I said. So the molecule may be in an elemental form or it may be in a compound form. That means if the molecule formed by the atoms of the same element, they are in a elemental form only. If the molecule is formed by atoms of different elements, they are known as a compound. Okay, earlier we have prepared 2 molecules, right? One is a hydrogen molecule we have prepared, and other one is a methane molecule. When the 2, 3, 4 hydrogens attached to the carbon, this is known as a methane. So this is a methane molecule and this is a hydrogen molecule. In these 2 molecules, this methane molecule come under compound category, and this is the molecule come under elemental form only. Okay, and let us see again once again the definition of compound. What is the definition of compound here itself? A compound is a molecule made of atoms from different elements. Earlier I have said this one. Okay, so this is the compound because it is a combination of atoms of two different elements, carbon element and hydrogen element. Okay, see, based on the definition of compound and molecule, so we can make a note that all compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. See, here we have three molecules, right? This is the methane molecule, and this is the hydrogen molecule made up of two hydrogen atoms, and this is a water molecule. Here the red one is oxygen atom attached to two hydrogen atom. That means it is a water. This is a hydrogen molecule, and this is a methane molecule. So these three are molecules only, but these all three molecules, they are not compounds, because this is a compound because it is made up of two different element atoms, and this is also a compound because this molecule is made up of atoms of two different elements. But this is not the case. It is a molecule formed by atoms of the same element, that is hydrogen. So hence what I want to say is all compounds, these two compounds, all compounds may be a molecule, but not all molecules they are compounds. These three are not compounds. Okay, see here I have three questions for you. You have to comment. So far you have studied the definition of atom, element, molecule, compound, right? So based on that definition, you have four questions. Okay, so the question number 1, what is this one? You have to identify that whether it is a atom or element or a compound or a molecule. Question number 2, what is this one? Among the four terminology, it belongs to what kind of the term we can use? Question number 3, see, this is what kind of category it belongs to among that 4? Question number 4, so this is belongs to what kind of category among that 4? Okay, thank you for watching this video.